Hello Cruellas! Welcome to my 5th hot prediction dito sa Miss Universe 2023. Hello mabuhay! This is Gazel Ortega again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anumang oras kayo nanonood sa akin ngayon. Maraming pong salamat sa mga bago ko dyan subscriber, returning viewers. Thank you po sa suporta. Sa mga hindi pa po dyan nakasubscribe, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Gazel Ortega, and click the notification bell below para updated kayo when it comes to maglabas ako ng aking mga videos, shorts, and vlog. Thank you! Hola! Sawadee-ka! And eto, mag-uusap naman tayo tungkol sa aking 5th hot prediction. Siyempre, every Monday, naglalabas ako ng prediction ko sa Miss Universe 2023. Ngayon, ang basis ko naman ay ang headshot, official headshot photos ng mga Miss Universe candidates sa Miss Universe application. At babasahin ko yung mga advocacy nila ng bonggang-bongga at kung sino pong wala. Ngayon, magbe-base tayo doon sa photos at magbibigay ako ng aking top 16. Abangan ninyo yan. My number 16 on my list is Miss Colombia, Camila Avella. Getting to know na tayo kay Miss kay Camila. Camila Avella is a graceful and charming Colombian journalist, model, mother, and a wife who empowers young mothers from age 11 and up. Kabog din si Camila. She provides them with training in mental health, financial management, and entrepreneurship, helping them build a better future. Additionally, her beauty and captivating presence lead her to represent Colombia in Miss Universe beauty pageant. Talaga yung kanyang advocacy ay mothers empowerment. Number 11 on my list, Camila Avella. My number 15 on my list is Miss Spain, Atenea Perez. O diba? Ang kanyang advocate is racial equality. I don't know how, hindi ko alam kung ano yung racial equality. Pero tingnan natin yun, basahin natin. Atenea Perez is a strong advocate for racial integration in Spain. Born and raised in a south of Spain, Atenea has a multiracial and multicultural background as her mother is from Equatorial Guinea. Okay. Equatorial Guinea pala yung kanyang half. And her father is from Spain. Atenea's purpose in life is to elevate and amplify social and racial causes worldwide. May purpose naman pala sa Miss Universe Spain. Kaya nilagay ko siya sa aking number 14. My number 14 on my list is Miss Canada, Madison Huvaltin. O diba? Ang kanyang advocacy ay eating disorder awareness. O ano nga ba yun ang eating disorder awareness na yan? Parang hindi ko naman alam yung kanyang pa-advocacy. A small town country girl work in a corporate transformation yet loves all things that shimmers and shine. Ano to? Madison is a woman not afraid to challenge herself and step outside her comfort zone to reach her goal. Using her voice and passion to serve, Madison is a massive believer that looks fades but impression and impact you make on the world can last a lifetime. Okay lang, masyadong mababaw yung ano niya, mababaw yung kanyang purpose in life. Pero napakaganda kasi ng photos niya dito. I know na over editing, pero still one of the most beautiful contestants dito sa Miss Universe. My number 13 on my list is Miss Korea, Soyeon Kim. O diba, advocate siya ng single mothers. O diba, kabog din. At saka ang ganda niya ha. To be honest, maganda with oozing of sex appeal si Miss Korea. Getting to know to Miss Soyeon, sabi niya, I'm working for an IT company and I am a fashion model. It gives me an energy boost to be able to help someone and to be a good influence. I want to expand my beauty network globally by creating donation kits for single mothers and single parent families. Nice. Around the world, though K Cosmetics branding in Korea and creating a mobile beauty SNS platform. Nice. Maganda yung kanyang advocate for single mothers. Pero hindi pa naman siya mothers. Pero I love it. I love Miss Soyeon Kim. Kaya nilagay ko siya sa aking number 13. My number 12 on my list is Miss USA Noelia Voigt. O, diba? Sad to say, wala siyang information. Hindi pa daw siya nakapag-submit. Nakakaloka. Pero pwede namang bumoto dito sa kanyang picture. Ang ganda kasi ng picture niya dito with green eyes. O, diba? Kabog. Pero, nilagay ko lang siya sa aking number 8 kasi alam ko namang kakabog itong si Miss USA at alam kong malakas siya. Pero wala siyang information dito, so nilagay ko lang siya sa aking number 12. Number 11 on my list is Miss Dominican Republic. O, diba? Ang ganda niya. Kabog. Kaya lang natabunan yung isa niyang mata, parang hindi nakita. Pero nice talaga yung hair. Medyo hindi ko lang bet yung mga nakatapon dito sa isa niyang mata ng bonggang-bongga. Pero one of the most beautiful. And pareha sila ni Miss USA na wala silang information o wala silang na-submit na ganon, hindi pa sila nag-submit ng kanilang info sa Miss Universe organization. But still, nilagay ko siya sa akin number 11 kasi pangabog ang kanyang photos dito sa headshot. Official headshot ng Miss Universe 2023. My number 10 on my list is Miss Venezuela Diana Silva. Nakakaloka yung picture niya. Parang over-edited. Tapos ang kapal pa ng makeup. Nakakaloka. Tapos ito lang yung information sa kanya doon sa kanyang sa official photo na sa headshot sa Miss Universe app. Diana Carolina Silva Francisco, a flight attendant. Yun lang. Nakakaloka. So, paano tayo makakita? Anong mahihita natin dito kay Diana Silva? Pero still, nilagay ko pa rin siya sa aking number 10 kasi nga, halos lahat ng photo ay hindi maganda. Umabot pa siya sa top 10. Venezuela. My number 9 on my list is Miss Chile. Celeste Fiel. O, diba? Ang kanyang advocacy is care for foster children. Nakakaloka ang haba ng kanyang information. Celeste is a 23 years old public relation graduate. Toroy, sister of a 5 licensed health coach. Kabog. And a passionate voice for children in social risk. Oh, Celeste and her family adopted 3 kids from the foster care system when she was a child, which has opened her eyes to the lack of support these kids receive and how irreplaceable the structure of a family is. Celeste has made it her life's mission to raise awareness about how growing up in loving home allows kids to become confident enough to achieve their dreams. Ang ganda ng advokasya ni Miss Universe Chile. Bonggang-bongga. I think kakabog ito sa competition. Maybe dark horse. Watch out for Miss Chile. My number 9. My number 8 on my list is Miss Mauritius Tatiana Buharnes. O, diba? Nakakaloka. Napakaganda niya sa kanyang headshot photo. Ang kanyang advocacy ay gender equality and violence against women. Diba? Ang ganda din ng advocacy. Tatiana Buharnes is a young woman police. O, diba? Police na siya. Constable who loves spending time with her family and who enjoy helping people in her daily life. O sana all ganon. She inherited her love for sports from her parents and today she is advocating for women to encourage them to speak up. Nice advocacy. I love Miss Mauritius. Napakaganda. pangabog ng bonggang-bongga, kaya nilagay ko siya sa aking number 8. My number 7 on my list, grabe maluloka kayo dito, I love her. Costa Rica, Lisbeth Brenes. Siyempre kilalanin natin si Lisbeth kung ano nga bang pinaggagawa niya sa buhay. Sabi niya, I am Lisbeth Brenes, a native of Costa Rica and a graduate of National University of Costa Rica with a degree in a special education. Ay, talaga lang ba? Beyond my academic pursuits, I am also engaged as a model, entrepreneur, and advocate for wildlife protection, social initiative, and tourism promotion within Costa Rica. Nice! I love her face. Lovely. Super amazing. Kaya na-amaze and mesmerized talaga ako sa kanyang headshot photo. Kaya nilagay ko siya sa aking number 7. My number 6 on my list is Miss Puerto Rico Carla Gilfo. Nilagay ko lang siya guys sa number 6 kasi hindi ko masyadong bet yung kanyang damit. Pero okay naman yung kanyang mga pa-hair na overstyled lang ng bonggang-bongga. Pero still, number 6 ko pa rin siya. Ang kanyang advocacy and mental health, ang gamit na mental health. At syempre kilalanin natin si Miss Carla Gilfo Acevedo. 25 years old siya, woman, often described as helpful, critical, and courageous. Graduate siya ng psychology with an undoubted calling to impact the community so that mental health is not the privilege of some, but the right of all. As a child, she always dreamed of a positively impacting the people around her, and that's why today she has her own non-profit organization. Ang pangalan ng kanyang non-profit organization ay Let's Begin to Heal. Oh, alright. That impacts the mental health of Puerto Ricans through psycho-educational projects. Nice. The promotion of a social justice and community service. Very good itong si Miss Puerto Rico, no? Ang ganda ng credential, ang ganda ng talagang ginagawa niya sa buhay. Kaya nilagay ko lang talaga siya kahit hindi ko bet ang kanyang photo, nilagay ko pa rin siya sa aking number 6. Pasok na tayo sa aking number 5 on my list, Antonia Porcil ng Thailand. Yung kanyang advocacy, women's financial empowerment. Diba? Siyempre, kilalanin natin yung lola niyo, lalong-lalo na sa mga basher ni Antonia. Antonia is a young female entrepreneur who values the essence of being financially independent. Oh, Roy, sana all. Antonia wants to be a motivational leader who inspired women around the world to take a little step to follow their dreams, stand up for themselves, and give back to society. Antonia wants the Miss Universe competition to be a platform that direct people's attention to the importance of woman economic empowerment. Ang nice naman pala ng paeksena ni Miss Antonia Porcel. Pero nilagay ko lang siya sa aking number 5 kasi over-filtered OA ang kanyang makeup, hindi na siya nakilala. Number 5 on my list, Antonia Porcil ng Thailand. My number 4 on my list is Miss France Diane Leary. Grabe, ang ganda ng kanyang photos, pangabog at pasabog. Sobrang ganda. Kilalanin natin na si Diane Leary. Ang kanyang advocacy ay fighting racism and homophobia. Diane Leary was born on 10th of July 1997 in Paris. After the baccalaureate, she moved to Madrid to enroll in IE University, one of the best schools in Europe, and later on graduated with a Bachelor on Business Administration degree. She's a French model, a radio personality, and a beauty pageant title holder who was crowned Miss Paris and Miss France 2022. Nakakaloka no, in the same year. Since August 2022, Diane Leary has been a co-host on the Europe 2 Daily Morning Show and the first Miss France working in media during her year. O, diba? Ang bongga talaga niya. She works with many associates around tolerance, and Vivre Ensembles. Kakaloka, no? Ang ganda talaga ng credential ni Miss Diane Leary, kaya nakakatakot talaga siya kumumpit at nakakatakot siyang kalaban sa Miss Universe competition. One of the best advocacy and one of talaga lang namang may pinapatunayan at saka legit ang kanyang pa-advocacy. Kaya nilagay ko siya sa aking number 4. My number 3 on my list, Shanice Palacios ng Nicaragua. Talaga lang naman yung babaeng ito. Kabog na kabog yung photos. Nakakamadam. Parang feeling mo, siya yung may-ari ng Miss Universe. Kung maka-aura naman siya akala mo siyang may-ari ng Miss Universe. Pero ang kanyang advocacy, ang walang kamatayang mental health. Siyempre, kilalanin natin si Shanice kung ano pinagagawa niya sa buhay. Sabi niya, I am Shanice Palacios, communication graduate, and although it may not seems like it, I am a behind the camera enthusiast, whether as a producer or editor. Ay, toro, ay behind the scene yung eksena niya. My anxious episode were the engine to start my project called Entiende tu mente or Understand Your Mind. Oh, toroy. This project seeks to emphasize the importance of mental health. At least, di ba, sa work niya, ginagawa niya kanyang advocacy. Talagang pang mental health, kinembular din yung kanyang, ang kanyang movie, yung project niya. Yung project niya na ginagawa. Kaya, nilagay ko siya sa aking number 3, Shanice Palacios ng Nicaragua. My number 2 on my list, my favorite, Mexico, Melissa Flores. Uy, ang tangkad, ang ganda. Tingnan mo naman yung headshot. Kabog na kabog na kabog. O, na lang. Ang kanyang advocacy ay self-love and removing boundaries for women. Taray. Siyempre, kilala natin. Dreaming without limits. Taray. Having an example of a strong woman has inspired me. I work hard until I achieve my goals. Napaka-iksi ng kanyang bio. Pero tingnan mo naman yung photo. Nakaka-Miss Universe. Nilagay ko siya sa aking number 2 kasi talaga lamang pangabog si Miss Universe Mexico, Melissa Flores. My number 1 on my list, Michelle Marquez D. Sino pa ba? The Philippines. Grabe yung advocacy. Grabe yung credential. Talaga lang namang maluloka ka. Siyempre, advocacy, autism, acceptance, inclusivity, and education. Yun ang kanyang advocacy. Tapos, napakahaba pa ng kanyang information dito at kilalanin natin. Michelle Marquez D. is a 28-24. Saan yun nanggaling? 28 years old entrepreneur, advocate, adrenaline junkie, talaga naman, award-winning actress, and a beauty queen who graduated with a degree in psychology at De La Salle Taray University, and accomplished a certificate, a course in entrepreneurship at Harvard University online. Oh, kabog, pangabog. All while, pag magbasa talaga ako nakakaloka. Founding a series of businesses that focus on health, multimedia creation, and WEB3 adoption. Grabe talaga, ang dami niyang ginagawa sa buhay. She is also the president of Inner Peace Foundation. And notably, her lifelong mission is toward autism acceptance. Growing up with 2 autistic siblings inspired her to work closely with advocacy groups nationwide, and with that, Michelle has been Autism Society Philippines Goodwill Ambassador since 2019. O na lang ang credential ng mga ibang candidates. O diba? Kabog na kabog talaga si Miss Philippines. Sino pa ba ang pipiliin ko dito sa best headshot photos sa Miss Universe kundi siya? Bukod sa maganda ang kanyang pa-advocacy, maganda ang kanyang credential, ang ganda ng kanyang photos, very normal, walang masyadong make-up, walang masyadong edit. Bongga. I love it. My number on my list, again, Michelle B. Yes, yes, yes. Kayo guys, sino naman ang inyong number 1 sa kanilang headshot photos dito sa Miss Universe application? Pasensya na kayo sa aking pagbabasa, hindi ako masyado magaling. Alam niyo namang loading lang. Nagpe-pretend lang po na marunong magbasa. Nakakaloka, pasensya na. O yun na, may konti na kayong informasyon doon sa aking top 16. Ayun, sana ay makontento na kayo doon at pagpasensya na talaga ninyo ang aking reading skills. This has been Gazel Ortega. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!